Hey, hi. Hi again. So I'm back today with the next product which I was waiting for. And yes, I would like to say that I was been waiting for this since long. Thanks to Amway team that they delivered it to me, instantly. I ordered this yesterday and I've received it today. And what is that? Now the product which I'm going to be talking about today is a must to have product. And when I say must to have product in this pandemic situation, I'm sure you have already started guessing that what is the product. So finally, the wait is over and the product is here. And what is the product? Amway presents the Wildcraft 3-layer W95 plus washable and reusable face mask with the efficacy of 95% for 0.3 microns. So here is the product which I have received, and since long I was waiting for my brand product. So here the product comes which says Wildcraft Super Mask W95 Plus washable, reusable, outdoor respiratory, anti-pollution, anti-dust, antibacterial face mask. And the best part is it says protector, comfort, and design. So I'm sure, like me, even you are excited to have a look at it. And I just can't wait. Let me just open it and let me have a look at it. So yes, this is a 5-piece pack which has 3 large masks and 2 medium masks. So let me just have a look at this mask, how it is. So here's the mask and let me show you. Oh, super cool. This is the mask I've always been waiting for, and finally I got the mask of my brand. So here on one side I can see the symbol A that stands for Amway, and here my favorite brand Nutrilite. Apart from this, if you see, there's something which is there inside. And what is this? This is basically a Flexi neck strap. I'm sure you all agree that keeping this mask all time on your face, which is like a mandate, you just cannot remove it. It after some time becomes so uncomfortable, and even your ears start paining. So what's that? So we get a free Flexi neck belt which we can use, and this is a strap which can help you to have the flexibility of not having the mask always on your ears. So how does it work? Here you go. Yeah, so fix the strap here, and now I'm going back, and this goes back my neck, which actually gives me absolute flexibility. Can you see that? And I think this is the best part of it. So great, I have ordered for my pack, I have received my pack. You too hurry up and grab your pack before it is over. Limited stock, so make sure you order it now. Bye bye.